Hello everyone, and welcome to the walk around of my 2007 Jeep Wrangler JK. This is the JKX, and it's a 2007, so the first year the JK was actually made. The only difference is this has Sahara model wheels on it, and it has LED headlights so you can actually see something when you're driving down the road. Other than that, this vehicle is stock. It has the hardtop with the Freedom panels, full doors, and some custom stickers on the back that the previous owner had. This vehicle has about 130,000 miles on it, so it still has a pretty decent amount of life left, with the 3.8 liter V6 replacing the inline 6 from the TJ and the YJ, and I don't know if it came before that or not, honestly.
Inside the Jeep, there's nothing special. You got a 6-speed manual transmission, you got the stock radio, cup holders for your Starbucks drinks, roll-up windows, that way you get a little bit of workout in, and of course, the ever-returning bobblehead. And as far as sound system goes, you got the tweeters up there, speakers down below that, not on the door because of course those come off, and a sound bar right behind your head. Now I do have the back seat, but it is removed. And back here, you got some basic recovery stuff. You got your sockets, jumper cables, tow strap, and of course your jack and your tool to remove the tires. In the back, we've got a nice and quiet exhaust, as well as this tow hitch for this Jeep that can tow absolutely nothing. These aftermarket wheels will be perfect for those daily trips to Starbucks when you might encounter the awful curb. Just done some basic maintenance to this vehicle, including all 4 brake rotors and calipers, as well as new radiator, and of course the basic oil changes.